Imagine receiving your essentials within minutes, not days. This is quick commerce in action. Quick commerce, or Q-commerce, is revolutionizing retail with delivery times as fast as 10 minutes. Gone are the days of static e-commerce. Consumer expectations are soaring at lightning speed. Today's shoppers demand instant access to products, pushing businesses to innovate or be left behind. Q-commerce thrives by utilizing localized fulfillment centers, cutting-edge tech, and AI-driven inventory management. From groceries to fashion, quick commerce caters to diverse market needs, redefining shopping convenience. A staggering 70% of urban consumers expect brands to provide same-day or even faster shipping options. Companies failing to adapt risk losing customers as more shoppers abandon carts over long delivery times. Prominent retailers like Amazon and Walmart are leading the charge with speedy delivery innovations. In the realm of quick commerce, AI enhances logistics, ensuring demand predictions and efficient supply chains. Micro-fulfillment centers, MFCs, play a crucial role, allowing businesses to store essentials closer to customers. Retailers are swiftly transitioning from centralized warehouses to urban MFCs, drastically reducing shipping times. Dark stores are gaining traction, dedicated to fulfilling online orders and streamlining Q-commerce operations. As competition heats up, retailers are striving for the ultimate goal: unmatched delivery speed. Innovative players, such as Instacart, deliver on-demand grocery options, frequently within an hour. Rapid order fulfillment is a defining characteristic of quick commerce, setting it apart from traditional retail. AI-powered tools enable retailers to predict demand and manage stock levels, keeping shelves stocked. Quick commerce hinges on smart inventory management to handle fluctuating consumer demand seamlessly. Last-mile delivery optimization is essential, as it's the final touch in fulfilling customer orders swiftly. Employing bike couriers and gig economy drivers, companies ensure goods are dispatched quickly and efficiently. Drones are on the brink of transforming last-mile logistics, merging efficiency with futuristic technology. Ready-to-use shopping apps are crucial, allowing customers to effortlessly browse and order from anywhere. Seamless integration of web platforms makes instant gratification a reality for today's consumers. Dropshipping now thrives within the quick commerce model, reducing long-standing shipping time obstacles. Small businesses can thrive by leveraging local suppliers, enabling fast fulfillment and satisfied customers. By offering limited, high-demand products, small retailers can cater to quick commerce's unique demands. AI and automation streamline logistics for small businesses, enhancing their ability to compete effectively. Hyperlocal delivery solutions are revolutionizing speed, attracting impulse buyers and increasing sales. Social media is a powerful ally, driving traffic toward instant access products and trending items. As quick commerce evolves, various innovations continually reshape the landscape of retail and logistics. Sustainability is becoming a priority. Eco-conscious delivery methods enhance brand perception and consumer loyalty. In a world where expectations for immediate gratification are rising, swift adaptation is crucial for survival.